Hello! Did you ever think about how to create such a beautiful art like the small things for your background or any other graphical elements just in a few clicks? If you're not an artist, but you need some vector beautiful things like this just to fulfill the placeholder to make your design, more dynamic or like more alive, instead of having gray boxes everywhere, you want to add maybe some graphic. In that way, this plugin that I'm going to show you will help you a lot with that. And the name for that plugin is a Mini Magic Moodboard and art generator. All you need to do, just literally in a few clicks, you will create something like this without any problems. Yes, there is also a pro mode version that costs $6, but I'm using this free version, which is totally fine for me. So if I need to create something like this, first I need to choose the color I want to make it in. And then once I pick the color, I can also select the color variants to make more or less different color variants here. And complexity I can also change to make more shadows, glossy effects and so on. And then depth I would pick somewhere on the middle. And once I click make a mini, you'll see this beautiful mini version here that you can use in your design. With a pro version, and it's not an ad, I'm just telling you by fact, there is more features that allows you to do something beautiful and nice that you can use. But this free version just as a placeholder is also enough. But let's do the maximum. Let's put everything on the maximum and see what we will get as a result. And you see it building it quite longer, and there is a lot of small details there, which means that the file size will be much more higher, but it's still moving fine. And let's do something that complexity is low but the depth is on the middle, just to see the difference. And that's pretty much it. So myself, I'm using for the color variants, I'm using somewhere in the middle, and for complexity I'm using a little bit above the middle, and for the depth like this third one. So if I need to create something like this, then I'm just clicking the create mini, and then I have something that looks like this. And it's a very good option, as I told you before, not to use the gray boxes everywhere, but also make it looks more interesting. You can play around with this plugin, and I can bet that you will reach so much better results. Thanks all for watching that video. I hope that it was at least useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, smash like, and all useful links as always in description.